Hi everyone, it's Savannah. Welcome back. I just wanted to do another update to my Kate in the Nest, Pouch in the Nest, January pouch, Joy to the World. And I have stitched the flowers here. So these are supposed to be just little plants with leaves and then the buds that are just starting to form. And the heart that is completely closed up. And then over here I have the heart that is unfolding, and I've started working on, sorry that this is shaky, I've started working on the flowers with the buds. So that's what that's supposed to be, are the little buds of the flower that are starting to show. And I still have some more flowers to put here. I did 5 over here. Each time I'm probably going to maybe do some more. I might come back and add a few more in here. I'm not sure, because when I get over here to this part, it's kind of shortened up because of the sun. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it, but I really want this just to be an outpouring of huge flowers, because it's representing the joy and opening up to the Lord. And so that is my goal. And then I did think, I started having some thoughts about this, and I actually might try to do some punch needle or possibly latch hook with some yellow wool that I can harvest from a blanket. So I haven't decided 100%. Hopefully, since the weekend is over, I'm gonna try to start doing some of the stitching on camera, so that it's not just these quick little updates, but I am gonna put all these little updates together that you'll see. So that's all I have for right now. I didn't get much done, but definitely it is actually really starting to come together the way I would hope it would. So I think you can kind of start to see the progression. So I pray you're all happy stitching and enjoying your Sunday. And my Sunday is coming to an end, and I just am praying that you all have a pleasant evening, and I will have to say goodbye for now. Until next time, love always, Savannah.